a landmark deal on rare earth shipments, and for anyone who big. First up, what are rare earth elements? Think of them as the magic ingredients in your smartphone screen, the battery of your Tesla, and even the brains of fighter jets. China's got nearly 80% of the world's rare earth supply on lock, which is why these metals became the ultimate bargaining chip in recent trade war. And suddenly, automakers, chip makers, and defense contractors everywhere started to panic. There were even talks of assembly lines shutting down. Serious stuff. So what's changed? As of June 27, 2025, both sides signed a deal. China will appeal to fast-track approvals and keep shipments flowing smoothly. Now, this doesn't solve everything. Military-use rare earths are still a sticking point, and the US remains hugely dependent on Chinese supply chains. Let's say the real game changer will be if other countries step up with their own rare earth production. For now, though, this truce is a rare win for global tech. So, what do you think?